Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air.
Ada main rawang apa ya? Mana? Hah? Jam berapa mainnya? Habis ini? Betul lah kalian tanya. Woi. Jadi kalian dukung mana? Rawang ya kan? Tapi semalam kalah rawang. Enak juga dari sini ngerekamnya. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. Oh, 15. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared. Anak-anak ini sibuk kali di TikTok. Bang, videokan. Hah? Apa? Saran channel. Awak kerja. Ini lawan apa ini? Bakri lawan apa? Tahu, Bang. Kalau U15 nggak ada tonton sama emak ya kan? Wis.
Ibu papa mau jerit mamanya gitu. Mamanya jangan di atas, baunya di atas saja. Tuh kalau ada PCS apa, asprop kena itu. Namanya itulah kalau anak-anak, aku kadang-kadang buat konten kan supaya orang tuh tahu ya kan.
Yang udah lu di sini sama bang?
Aku lah.
Oh, itu bang ya?
Iya.
Oh.
Makanya kan aku kan buat edukasi biar anak-anak itu paham ya kan. Ya kalau ada kawannya cedera kayak gini, kan aku bilang ya kan. Ya posisi terdekat lah ditengokin ya kan. Bukan dibiarin. Jadi kan anak-anak ini kan belum paham ya kan. Kayak dan diajarin yang enggak. Masuk ke malam bak.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as me.
Lawannya dulu Produta, Kuarta, SSB, PS, Langsa. Pelanggaran. Gol, gol, gol. Nomor berapa ini? Si. Tekan dulu celananya, lorot. Berdoa. Doa apa itu? Doa makan apa? Doa apa? Ini doa makan. Wes, tak gol. Wes. Kelas kau kiper. Habis waktu. Paset, pakai payung. Pakai payung. Dek, nonton bola, Dek. Nonton bola. Nonton dukung tim mana? Timnya yang mana? Yang mana, hijau apa putih? Hah? Hei, tengok dulu. Nggak mal.
hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.